This capability showcase illustrates how Cragg's Integrated Power Systems and Services team created a complete, custom solution for the installation of a modular, scalable, uninterruptible power supply in a NEMA 12 enclosure to back up sensitive testing equipment at an aerospace laboratory. Our team designed a solution around paralleled 12 kVA modular uninterruptible power supplies configured to support 24 kVA of load. This custom enclosed system features all input and output accommodations, including minimal height configuration and modularity of UPS and power distribution, single system input via pin and sleeve inlet connection, configured output distribution modules with 120 volt, 208 volt, and 3-phase receptacles. The enclosure was designed for NEMA Type 12 environments, offering protection against dirt, dust, dripping liquid, and light spray for an indoor installation. Enclosure features include custom system input panel and output flip-up panel, allowing the user to access all connections while the doors of the enclosure are closed. 30 U enclosure height. High-capacity caster base. Black powder coat finish. Formed-in-place foam gasket seals. This system utilizes a G4 Plus rated NEMA Type 12 filter fan system to ensure adequate airflow for the electronics within the enclosure. The UPS system was then started up using manufacturer-required procedures and tested to ensure full functionality of the entire integrated system. This is another example of a custom solution Cragg's Integrated Power Systems and Services team can create for you. If you run into a backup power challenge that requires unique retrofitting, kitting, assembly, or modification, we are the right people to call to create a timely, cost-effective solution. Please contact us today for more information about how we can help you by creating a customized solution for your application.